Hey guys, it's Kim here from Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. If you guys check out this beauty, we just got in the 2020 TRD Pro magnetic gray metallic 4Runner, 17-inch TRD alloy wheels, has the TRD Fox Shock Suspension, 4-liter V6, horsepower is about 270. Miles per gallon combined is about 17. We have the roof rack up top there. We have the TRD Pro badging. Alright, let's check out the inside. The Softex trim power and heated seats on both sides. TRD Pro floor mats. TRD Badging. Alright guys, I'm super excited to show you guys the 2020 TRD Pro 4Runner. If you guys have seen my videos before, you'll know that the 2020 4Runners now have the Smart Key. They have the Toyota Safety Sense P. So it has a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, automatic high beam lights, and adaptive radar cruise control. It also has the Apple CarPlay, if I can talk, and Android Auto. And this one even has a dash cam as well. I'll show you guys here in just a second, so let's check it out. Here we have the 8-inch touchscreen. It's a lot larger than it used to be. Dual climate control. TRD shift knob there. Up here is where the camera is located, right behind the rear view mirror. And then we have our multi-terrain select and our crawl control, of course. Sorry about that bad lighting with my camera. The dash. Lots of changes this year. It also has JBL audio. There's 15 speakers as well. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my brief overview of the 2020 TRD Pro 4Runner. If you guys have any video requests, please let me know. We have such a huge variety here at Gresham Toyota. Again, my name is Kim at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. If you guys have any questions, please ask me and I'll be happy to help you guys. Have a great day, everybody.